Do you have trouble achieving your goals? Do you find yourself constantly distracted by other things? And before you know it, you failed. Hi, this is Ken Okel. I am coming to you today from inside a hotel room. And today when I saw this beautiful bed, I was reminded of an important lesson I learned early in my life about achieving your goals and staying focused on them. At the time, I was working at a TV station. I worked in TV news for over a decade. I was a reporter, I was a weatherman, I was a news anchor, and sometimes that would involve working on a morning show. Morning shows are a lot of fun, but there's a big challenge with them. You have to be at work extremely early. In my case, usually that was around 3:15 to 3:30 in the morning. No matter how early you would try to go to bed, you'd always wake up feeling really tired. 5-day week of this, by Thursday or Friday, you'd be dragging. And that's when things would get really challenging. So you had the goal, get to work, do a good job on the news, tell people about everything that's going on. But there were all these little distractions, like that little voice in your head that would be saying, Ken, let me just close my eyes for just a minute. No, don't let that happen. Or you'd be like, I'll just hit the snooze button. Nope, you couldn't let that happen either. I learned I had to focus on the goal of getting to the job. Once I got there, people could make sure I didn't fall asleep. They were probably as sleep deprived as I was. But until that point, I had to say no to all those little distractions that were popping up. No closing my eyes, no snooze button. I had to always be doing something that would get me closer to the goal of getting to work. Eat breakfast, get dressed, get in that shower. Just keep moving. Get yourself to work. Now I want you to think about in your office, what's that big challenge that you have that's keeping you from achieving your goal? You know what you want to do, you know you can do it, but there's all these little distractions that keep popping up, and before you know it, you're not achieving your goal, you're getting in trouble. We don't want that. So really identify what's the big goal that you have, what are the obstacles that are standing in your way, and how can you overcome them? For me, I could never allow myself the luxury of closing my eyes for just a few minutes because I was that worried that I was going to fall asleep. That could be a major speed bump for me to achieve my goal. So I want you to identify it. Just try it out. It's a great exercise to do. In the meantime, if you like this tip, I want to give you another one. Get my book, Stuck on Yellow. You can grab it from Amazon, paperback, Kindle, whatever form. I think you're really going to like the chapter that's called People Won't Pay You. It has to do with some bad habits that some of us may pick up over time that we have to realize the marketplace does not care about. It's a good call to action and a good reminder for your team. So I encourage you, check out the book. It's a great investment for you and your team. In the meantime, focus on those goals, make sure you've identified the distractions, and decide what will it take for you to achieve that goal. How do you get around all those distractions? In the meantime, you can always check me out at my website, kenokel.com. I'm going to get a little shut-eye here, enjoy the surroundings. For now, I'm Ken Okel. Take care.